going on a trip. Hooray, hooray, to the zoo where animals play all day. We see a lion with a mighty roar, shaking his mane and stomp on the floor. We wave and smile and say hello. At the zoo, there's so much to know. Look at the monkeys swinging high, jumping and climbing way up to the sky. They chatter and giggle, they're full of fun, chasing each other in the morning sun. We laugh and point and say ooh, 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 ooh. At the zoo, there's so much to do. Here's a tall giraffe so high, reaching through some trees in the sky. With a long, long neck and spots so neat, she walks so gently on her feet. We count the spots, 1, 2, 3. At the zoo, there's so much to see. Now see the elephants big and round, stomping slowly on the ground. They flap their ears and spray with their trunk, then take a bath in the funk. We giggle and cheer, what a view! At the zoo, there's fun for you. At the zoo, we learn and play, meet new animals every day. From tiny bugs to tigers too, so much to love at the big, big zoo.